Lag or frame drops when editing video. Actually, it's normal. But, there is an effective way to solve this. There are 3 most working ways. Even if I don't use this method, it will also lag. These 3 ways can reduce lag even 50% to 70%. Even more. So far that's my experience. Not even just Alight Motion. This method also works in other apps. To edit AMV usually use Video Twixtor. What is Twixtor? The point is to make the video look smoother. It would be great for many types of edits. If you want to find Twixtor, I recommend Miku-chan Twixtor. You can get Twixtor with good quality. So, don't cut Twixtor in Alight Motion, because it will make Alight Motion work harder. Look at this. This is just a Twixtor cut. No effect or anything. Already made it lag. If your device is not good, this is very impactful. So, what to do? Use another editing app. I usually use KineMaster. You can set it like this. Because Twixtor is 1080p resolution, I will export according to the original size. To compare performance. Back to Alight Motion. So, basically, don't cut long video in Alight Motion. due to the long video that was cut. Actually remains intact, but runs in the background. That's why light motion works harder. Hard to explain. So, pay close attention. Simple example like this. One project for shake and transition only. This method is very effective for this problem. This Part 2 project is only used to create blur. I will give an example for another AMV style. So basically, don't rely on one project to make a video. Low quality preview. Project resolution. Do not use resolutions above 720p. For balance, 720p is the best. But if it still feels heavy, use 520p. Because it's lighter, but the quality is still similar. For frame rate, 30 fps is enough. But if you want 60 fps, you can too. So, those are the 3 ways I usually do. No matter how great the method, there will definitely be times when you will experience lag. So, you can only outsmart. I hope this is useful for you guys, and see you again.